Hello guys, so in this video I want to explain or try to explain about pointers to object, and we are dealing with string objects here. So this is pretty much C++ stuff. So here I have on line 15 a string name, and the name is Veda, and then the address of name is assigned to a pointer, name pointer, right? So the string pointer is a pointer to a string object actually, and then I'm just printing out what is name, and then I am dereferencing the pointer that is actually pointing to name and assigning a different string, and I'm printing that out. So let's try to run this code and see what happens. Now here I have, let's call this, do I need to do this? I don't know, but I will do it. std C++ 2 0 dash o, and this would be string pointer and string pointer dot cpp. Okay, so it seems that I need to use std C++2a. all right, so let's rerun that. G++ dash std equals C++ 2a dash o string pointer string pointer dot cpp. That's okay. So now I just want to run this, and now I'll try to explain what's happening here. So initially we have a string object, and its name, which is name, and it's assigned to Veda is assigned to name, and then we are having a pointer that is pointing to name, all right, via reference, and then we're printing out name, and then we are dereferencing the pointer and assigning a different string to it. So I can try to explain this in my own limited way. All right, so normally when you have, let's say, a variable, so this variable here, and but in this case it's a string, right? So we call this name. All right, a name has this string Veda in it. All right, so that would be line 15. Now line 16, I'm taking the address of name, right, and I am assigning it. We have a pointer here which is name underscore ptr, and so I'm assigning to name ptr this string pointer, right, address of name. So now this pointer here is pointing here. All right. So that would explain line 16. And then I'm just printing name. So you're going to get Veda. Then I'm dereferencing name pointer. So if this pointer is pointing here, address of name. So if I have name and you dereference this, right? I am assigning Upanishad to it. All right, a next string. And then I'm printing out the updated value. So I'm dereferencing a pointer. So when you dereference a pointer, you get the contents within here. All right. So in this case, I'm assigning Upanishad to this content here. Think of this like a jar. I'm just putting a different value into it or a string into it. All right. So let's try to do something extra here now. Now, because I have a pointer here, I can play around this now. I can put some more lines of code here. And let us say I change this here now. Instead of Upanishad, let's say I put yoga. All right. New term, a new string. And let's rerun this here now. So I need to save this before I can run it. Uh, 2A, run that now. So originally the name was Veda, then we updated to Upanishad, now it's yoga. And we are using the pointer to do that. Now, because name is a string object, a name pointer is pointing to this string object, we can do some other stuff here. Let's try something. Supposing I have something like cout we can check if name is empty or not, right? If name pointer is empty or not. So we can have something is a string empty empty, and then so let's call this boolean alpha. So we will get a true or false. And now the function we want to assign here would be, so we take this value, right? We can do, let's say I go name dot and empty empty. Oops. And L. I'm curious. So I need to save this. And let's rerun this. So before I rerun it, right, let's get rid of this, remove this string pointer that we have here. And now we're gonna rerun this code. So the string is not empty. So it's giving me false. So let us see if we can get the length of the string. So um hmm so if I have something like cout length of string, and then I have name dot length length. So these are like functions within the string class now, right? Because name is a string object, right? So you're just calling some functions to see how it works out now. All right. So let's save this and rerun again. So I'm gonna remove string underscore pointer and rerun this code. So length equal 4. So it is referring to this string here, yoga, because okay, Veda is 4. Let's try to do something here. Let us change this to yoga shastra, or yoga manual. All right, and see what happens. Save. Clear. So length of string is 12. So 4, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4. Why it's saying 13 here? 13 characters. Length of string is 12. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does this matter? I just want to see something here. Okay, guys, so I'm learning this stuff, and you can follow along. String pointer 11. Wow. So the space actually counts as a character, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll try something. So let's get rid of this space and see what happens now. File, save. Wow. So we're getting the length of the string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the spaces do matter. They count. So if I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces here, I'm thinking we should get name of the pointer we're going to be equal to 15, the length of the string now. So let's save that and see what happens. And there you go. Okay guys, so this is just me trying to understand stuff. If you follow along and you gain something, all good for you. All right, so I'm just, oh, maybe I should try, what about we try the pointer? Instead of using name.empty and name.length, what about we do this here now? We take the same stuff, all right, copy this, and we change this to name pointer, right? Name underscore ptr. So we have to dereference this here, right? So so dereference this, put this in a bracket, and do the same here. File, save, and just run this again. String, whoop. So it doesn't like that. Okay. So I dereference it like this. All right. Okay, I see my problem. Here I had name, so that shouldn't matter. So let's just play along with this here. So dereference this. All right. Put it back inside, and it's underscore ptr. So this, when you dereference name pointer, it's actually equivalent to name, right? So let's file save this now, and yeah, you see I had name here. So let's rerun this now. Good, it works. So what am I showing here? That you can use name, that's a string object. You can use the pointer on the function, because the pointer is reference, right? Name has the same address. The address of name is the pointer, so you dereference that name pointer, you can run the function. So one other way that you can do this, let's try that now. Copy, So instead of having it like this, this can be written as name pointer, right? Get rid of this and let's try that, and name pointer, use this technique. All right, file, save, and rerun this code. That works. All right, so you can access or make use of the functions in the string class via the object, via dereferencing the pointer using this asterisk name pointer format, or you can use the arrow format, name pointer, and you point to the function, right? And you would get the same output. So guys, I would stop here for now. All right, so in some of these videos, yes, I might be making some slips, but this is a technique to get the point over. All right, so bye for now.